Hi friends, welcome back to my another video, and today I am going to show you how can you change the sound of car by removing its filter. It is simple. First of all, you need to locate the filter box which is connected with the pipe in every car, and before changing the sound of a car I will show you its original sound. So this is its original sound, and now we will remove its filter. So you have to clip out these pins by pressing it down. And it will pop out, and this is the filter. You need to take it out and put it aside and close it back. And we need to clip it out up. And you have done. Now check the sound. Listen this sound. If you want to normal the sound, reverse this process by opening these clips. Open this cap. Place it back. Last clip. There you go. Now the sound is normal. Thank you guys for watching it. Stay tuned and please like and don't forget to share.